Oh, thank you so much. That means a lot. I know. Shh, shh, shh. It's okay.
Don't be so hard on yourself. Everyone makes mistakes, and this will pass. We are here for you.
So this part here is the flange, and the milk goes through these tubes into the bottle.
And this motor controls the suction level.
Exactly, you can adjust it here.
Oh my God, look at that.
Woo! Wow.
Oh my God, he's so beautiful.
Thank you.
A breast pump can be a really helpful tool for any new mom.
I was so worried about my supply, but look at us now. I have plenty of milk, and she's thriving.
Pumping does not have to be painful.